Hello and Happy New Year! This is Joy. Welcome back to the first CUMIC Weekly of 2026, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel market saw a significant rebound, with future prices reaching their highest level in over 2 months. Then, what's the key driver? Well, there's now positive market sentiment around upcoming stimulus policies to support economic growth. The People's Bank of China announced plans to cut the reserve requirement ratio and lower key policy rates this year. That means more money on the market and a continued push for a loose monetary policy, all of which helps lift expectations on market demand. On the supply side, steel mills are still restocking raw materials ahead of the Chinese New Year. Add to that some whispers that coal mine production cuts and the raw material prices like iron ore and coking coal have been climbing, pushing costs up. As a result, steel prices got some support to go upward. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, apparent demand went down by 440,000 tons. Inventory went up by nearly 220,000 tons, and production went up a bit. With the New Year's Day holiday and typical seasonal slowdown, demand is weakening, while supply is still recovering. In the short term, the market remains supported by macro sentiment and core support, but the underlying supply-demand balance remains fragile, limiting the potential for further price increase. In the short term, the overall market sentiment is still pretty positive. Costs are rising, and steel price levels are relatively low, which keeps the market in a fluctuating and slightly upward trend. Nevertheless, it is still the off-season. Weak supply and demand dynamics are limiting the rebound. Most of this rally is driven by macro sentiment, not actual demand. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!